Southeast lawmakers have joined the call to demand the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Interesting. My people, they say that our brothers from Delta states don't come outside, can't all say that the Igbos in Delta are not joining the protest, and he call all Igbos all over Nigeria not to join end bad government protests. Things are happening. This our Brekete family, the Brekete family don't call the Finland government to arrest Mazi Simon Ekpa, and also to make sure that the Nigerians are not buying things that concern Finland in Nigeria. Wow, interesting. Okay, my people, let's jump inside this matter. Go know how they go for that area. Please, as they watch, they share the video, and don't forget to stay there for Blabbers Gist. Please share this video as they watch them. Let's go and look this update that's coming from Southeast. They say that the Southeast lawmakers join call to call Tinubu to immediately release the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That Nnamdi Kanu have become a prisoner of conscience, a political prisoner in Nigeria today. That they should immediately to release Nnamdi Kanu to rejoin his family and his fans all over the world. Okay, my people, what do you think about this particular call? Because the Nigeria government are paying deaf ear to this thing that is happening, and they think they can stop it with power. This Biafra agitation in Nigeria is very, very serious issue that needs something that have took us to war before, and these people are joking with it, pretending that nothing is happening while things is happening. However, this call has become too much, and I'm going to update you later on what is going on as we talk. But to get information, what would they get? Who should go drop them for the next video? Try to check out our next video. Let's go and look to this video. How our brother don't send message, give the Igbo youth not to join this coming end bad government protest. So let us watch the video before we come back and proceed.
In case you are joining me, I want to officially introduce myself again. My name is Chukwuemeka Kogolo Justin Nudrechooks. I'm from Umoshomi in Ishiekwe quarters on Ichubo precisely. Diopale Ezechime in Anyocha North local government of Delta State. Abunwafi Igbo. I want to quickly address one issue. I see a lot of insults coming directly to me from my fellow Anyoma children who, out of ignorance, are claiming that Igbo, or that what I'm doing is for Biafra to claim our land. You know, I've said it that thunder does not kill people, but I would have said, may thunder fire you. Even though I know say thunder does not kill. Nta asenka amadio hamajia yuku. How can you be claiming that Igbo people are trying to claim land? That is why you don't want Anyoma to come to pass. Can you show a proof where Igbo man has claimed? Last week I was in Delta. I heard that Fulani entered some of our land in one village and kill a farmer. None of you are fighting the Fulanis that are killing people in our land. In the Delta North, I'm not talking of the whole Delta. But here you are, insulting those who have not committed such a crime. In the same Delta there, the Norths are owing the oil well, not that they are renting it. None of you are fighting them. But whenever own any land by force, every time they want to claim, you are buying into propaganda. And that is why you don't want good thing to come to us. You don't want us to have our own state. Allah ya pubukwe yo. If it is an outsider, maybe an Yoruba or a Benin person, or even a Yoruba is saying it, I can understand. I don't have any problem. But you, when you're my own brother, is saying this kind of thing. Another thing I want to address is all this rumor of protest. If I see any Igbo man involved in it, if police kill you, arrest you, nobody will protest for you to be released. Don't you see that without the Igbo youth, there's no Nigeria? The North, I said that the North are not united. They are connivers. Make them come out now to connive and protest against Tinubu. They cannot. The Yoruba that put him in power, they cannot. They might worry people that are saying worry not they carry rights or believe where they shout. Make they protest. Why must Igbo be involved? If you're an Igbo son and you want to protest, carry your blackers. We need you to protest for Tinubu government to give us the 6 states so that there can be a balance. Equal balance of the political zone of states to the Igbo. Even if now all state they support the state, I don't mind. But yeah, protesting against Tinubu, no, it's not possible. You don't do that. Not be the same people. When you protest now, they say Igbo people want to destroy Nigeria because they want Biafra. Now we are not protesting. The same people is saying we don't want to protest because of Biafra. Let them protest against their own brother. When we are telling people there is not what you say that matters, it's how political awareness you are. You people don't want to learn. All of them that are shouting this government will favor me, they are the one crying like the video I will show you. They are the one shouting at we Roland and they're hungry. Now we no vote for us. Now you won't give one state. I'm out of here, Joe.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, I'm going to bring up the second video immediately for you to watch and see how this brekete did a call for Simon Ekpa arrest and to boycott all product that belongs to Finland. Watch the video.
Finland, you get milk where they get bring from Finland. Make one identify any product from Finland. Don't buy. Don't buy. Enter supermarkets, identify, even if you know one buy. Raise and say this one is Finland, they say we no go buy. Let the message get back to them. What do they have in Finland? You are housing somebody who is terrorizing my country. People don't send petition to them. I bet make una Google their Finland embassy's contact number. Make we call them now. If they continue, any Finland person we will know for Nigeria, we go pursue and go back to in country, including their ambassador. See people will be parasite. They can't survive without Africa. Both America and Europe cannot, and China and France cannot survive without Africa. What do they have? Bunch of parasites that are surviving on Africans and Africa. Somebody is destroying my country and you're keeping quiet. Despite, okay, person never do half of this one. Twitter don't pull them down. But this one day for Twitter, they trend. He's trending.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you don't hear them as you tell talker. My people, please drop your own opinion for inside comment section and let us know what you think for this thing where they go on like this. What you want talk for this video? We don't bring comfort now today. Now we say the federal government is joking with Biafra agitation, and that is very, very dangerous. They are joking with Nnamdi Kanu case. In fact, they are making the biggest mistake. This Nnamdi Kanu case is not as usual that you people will sweep under the carpet and think that nothing will happen. It is not that kind of joke. It's too expensive. Tinubu should release Nnamdi Kanu immediately, because it's clear to everyone in Nigeria that Igbos are hated. Yes, it's very clear. And for you to release Nnamdi Kanu is going to go a long way in resetting the memory of or the minds of people. Keep holding Nnamdi Kanu, you are building more of Nnamdi Kanu kind. And which is, when they start, you can't stop them. So this issue of Biafra, the federal government should take it very serious and look for a way of peace. There's no other way. Pressuring Nnamdi Kanu to do something for his release is the worst thing you people can ever do. There's update we'll have in our table, which is we are going to bring it up either tomorrow morning, so that everybody will also see what is going on with this Nnamdi Kanu case. Please share this video, and we'll quickly see you for the next update. Do not forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you.